Greetings once again, Steve Martin, and you know where I am at. I just arrived here on this beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina morning, about to enter into the Charlotte Center City Partners office. Actually, I was already here. I turned on the lights so I could show you a taste of what I've experienced these last...
Motion detected at front door.
That would be me. That I've experienced these last 15 years, I guess. I worked as a contractor, got a job through a headhunter here uptown. Started working with Eleni Saunders many years ago. Nobody's here yet, so I thought I could show you a little bit. It's changed since I first arrived. Front desk used to be over here. All this has been new, transformed. Part of the reconstruction of the Charlotte Center City Partner CCCP offices. People have come, people have gone. My boss, Eleni, retired February, 7 years after I did. But then the ones that kept hiring either quit or got fired. Well, they don't call it firing. They left. Mutual agreement. I am walking into the kitchen area. Michael J. Smith, I believe, added this. He is the executive director, the chief man. So I'm going to give you a bit of the tour of the office. At one point, we had half of this, and then a previous occupant moved out. So the partners took over the rest of it and again remodeled it. These are supposed to be seaweed, sea ferns, something along the sea. Anyway, I can do this now because nobody's here. Don't do it while people are sitting. You can see interns are in service. They have occupied the outer windows looking out. We are 16 feet, 16 stories above the ground. Let me go back here a minute. I want to show you another site. Hang on, I'm going to be walking fast. Whoops, tripped there for a minute. I'm going to show you where the Bank of America has its Charlotte headquarters. They're in uptown Charlotte, North Carolina. That would be the Bank of America building right there. I believe it's about 61 stories high. And down below is Tryon. The corner right there, as you see, is Trade in Tryon. They have 4 statues on each corner, indicating different historical moments here in town. I'll let you go on this one, but don't go away. Shalom.